Hi everybody, I'm Lorie from D's, back with another great kit idea. So today we are going to create this beautiful lemon and blueberry swag. I just love the lemons with the blueberries. Blue is such a popular color right now, and this would just look absolutely amazing in a kitchen or anywhere else that you'd like to decorate. But this is just a cute little simple swag that we're going to create, and it's just kind of crisp and fun looking. So let's get started. So as always, everything that you need is going to be included in your kit. And the base that we're using today is going to be this fern and magnolia swag. So you're going to get this nice pretty stem in your kit, and you just want to kind of go through and fluff that up. And what I did was I just simply took my stem and I curved it at the top like so, just to make a loop for a hanger. And we are going to take our wire cutters and just trim off a little bit of this stem right here. So this is what we're going to use for our base. Everything's going to be attached to this. So you can kind of bend some little leaves up. Now, if you were wanting a much longer, larger piece, you could always order some of these magnolia fern stems separate and then extend out, and they are available on our shop at shopdslouisville.com. So we're just going to kind of fluff that up. So next we are going to take this beautiful blue bush here. So these are a little dried. They're very pretty. I love the color of the blue, and you get those pretty leaves. So believe it or not, we are just going to take this like so. And this is just going to go right in here. And we're going to attach it just as one piece. So in your kit, you will have wire. And I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to wrap it around our first main stem with the magnolia and the fern. We're going to take this, just lay this right on here. And we're just going to wire this right in to our piece. So that's just laying right on top. We're just wiring it right on there, and then you can go back in and kind of bend this around and shape this. Kind of integrate your leaves in there. Next, we're going to go in and we are going to take our beautiful lemon stem. So this is a really pretty, these are little smaller lemons. You get those beautiful lemon leaves on there. So again, I'm just going to trim this stem off a little bit, remove my tag. And once again, we're just going to go in here and we're going to lay this in here. Now you can let this hang down as long or as short as you want. I kind of like it hanging down. And we're just going to fluff these and bring these up into that, spread those lemons around. But we're going to take that same wire again, and we are just going to wire this stem right on top of the other ones. Go back in, you're going to kind of move it, fluff up your pieces, and kind of mix all of your branches together. Got a little blue one kind of hidden back there. We'll kind of fluff that up. And then last but not least, we have these beautiful blueberries. These are really bright. They're just a fun, pretty look. So I'm going to trim this stem off a little bit. Remove that tag. And again, you can put these any way that you want in there. So we can let them go down this way. We can let them go up this way to kind of fill in. It's totally up to you. I'm going to kind of let it hang this way and bend this stem up to get some of those bright blueberries up there. So what's nice about these stems is they are wired, so you can manipulate them however you want. And again, I'm still using that same wire to bind all of my stems together. So then last but not least, we have our beautiful ribbons that we're going to use. So we have this really cute little plaid that has the yellows and the blues. And I'm going to leave just a little short tail to go up towards the top. And we're going to pinch, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. So let one hand do the work when you're making the bows and let your other hand hold your bow. Again, we're just going to pinch, twist, pinch and gather, pinch and gather. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my yellow swatch. This is just a 1/2 yard piece just to add another texture in there. Now what I'm going to do with this blue, I'm going to trim this. I'm going to leave a long tail. And then I'm going to take the excess and I'm going to go back in and lay that across that way. So we have 2 nice long tails. You'll have 2 little tails sticking up. And again, we're just going to take our wire and wire off our bow, just like so. Just wrap that around, pull it nice and tight, and just twist that like a bread tie, nice and tight. So you have your bow all together. And we're just going to go up in here and add our bow right into our piece. And I'm just going to wrap this around my entire bundle that I've put together here and pull that nice and tight to secure that. So you can kind of fluff up your leaves to kind of fill in up there on your stems. Fluff up your bow and move that around into place however you want. We're going to trim our tails. Let one of these nice long blue tails come this way. Trim this yellow stripe. And trim this nice long one there. And then you can just kind of move it around and tuck them, your little tails and your ribbons anywhere that you would like. Kind of move that around, fluff up my greenery so you can see all those pretty blues in there. And there you have it. A beautiful lemon and blueberry swag. Quick and easy. So you can find this kit and more at shopdeeslouisville.com. Thanks for tuning in.